In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Evernote onto your device with ease. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, keep your notes organized, or sync your ideas across multiple devices, Evernote is a tool that many find indispensable. So, let's dive into the process of downloading and installing Evernote, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. First, we'll begin by visiting the official Evernote download page. This is typically the best source for downloading anything new because it'll have the latest versions and updates that you can be sure are legitimate and secure. So, simply open your preferred web browser and type in Evernote's official website address, or you can search for Evernote Download in your favorite search engine and look for the official link. Now that you're on the right page, you can choose which version is best suited for your device. If you're using a desktop computer, you have two options. You can either download it for Windows or for Mac. On the website, you'll notice distinct buttons labeled Download for Windows or Download for Mac, depending on the type of computer you have. It's important to click on the correct link to ensure the software is compatible with your operating system. If you're using a Windows-based system, just go ahead and click the Download for Windows button. Alternatively, for those on a Mac, simply select the Download for Mac button. Once you have selected the appropriate download option, your browser might prompt you to either confirm the download or choose a location to save the file on your computer. Choose a location that's easy to remember, like your desktop or Downloads folder, so you can easily find it later on. After the file finishes downloading, which typically only takes a few moments depending on your internet connection, you are ready to proceed with the installation. Locate the downloaded installer file on your computer. This file usually has a name related to Evernote and ends with .exe for Windows or .dmg for Mac. Double-click the file to start the installation process. You may see a security prompt asking for permission to run the installer or to confirm changes to your device. This is simply a safety measure, and you can confidently say yes or continue. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. It will guide you through the necessary steps, like agreeing to the software's terms and conditions and selecting any additional options for installation. The whole process is generally straightforward and designed to help you get set up quickly. Once everything is complete, launch Evernote and sign into your account if you already have one, or create a new account if you're just getting started. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Evernote on your device. Now, you're all set to begin organizing your notes, creating to-do lists, and exploring the variety of features Evernote has to offer.